Today we have 3 games that are practically perfect in every way to celebrate all things Mary Poppins. One of my favorite scenes in Mary Poppins is when all of the penguins come and she's sitting at the table to serve her lunch. I love when Bert has his cane, or in this case, yardstick, and he gets all 4 penguins on the top and then they just slide down onto the table. So we're going to play this game in honor of that scene. We're going to try and get 1, it's a little hard with 4, so we're just going to start with trying to get 1 penguin to balance on our yardstick for 3 seconds. Whoever does that in the fastest time is the winner. You ready? Alright, Grant's going to start us out. See if he can get it. These penguins are a little tricky, huh? Ooh, he's going to go for a different penguin. You got it, you got it. Oh, he's being a little tricky. You're trying to slide it under the feet, aren't you? He looks like a golfer lining up his putt shot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That was fast counting. I think you got it though. Ready? High five. Now it is my turn. Let's see if I can get it as well as Grant did. 1. Holy cow, that's the fastest I have ever done that before. Well, in that case, I think I win, but you were so close on yours too. Way to go. All right, on to our next game. Another favorite scene of mine is when Mary Poppins is magically cleaning up all the room and the blocks restack on top of each other. This game is going to mimic it. We have a mess of blocks and Grant is going to tell you how we're going to bring order and magic to it.
Yeah, you gotta stack 3 on top of each other by throwing them.
Yep. All right, you ready?
Yep.
On your mark. Get set.
Whoosh.
Go. You can't just set them on though, right? You gotta throw them. And they can't just be like 3 on top of 1 block. Like this could be 3 technically touching. It's gotta be 3 all the way on top of each other. Ooh, Grant's won. Oh my gosh, that was so close. I think he...
Oh!
You totally got it. High five.
I was gonna go for that one, but...
Yeah, but you got that one on instead. Good job. Grant is practically perfect in every way at organizing this game. I think he must have had a spoonful of sugar this morning. On to our next game. For the next game, it's focusing on Mary Poppins' magic carpet bag. I love that she always pulls out the most interesting things from inside of her bag. Like Grant! So crazy! So for this game, I have lots of just little household objects around the house. I've wrapped them in tissue paper so you can't quite guess what they are. And you have to try and guess what's inside Mary Poppins' magic bag. So you can reach your hand in, feel around, and see if you find an object that you think you know what it is. And if you do...
I think this is a notepad.
Oh, it's not a notepad.
Wait, I know what it is.
What?
It's a book.
You think it's a book? Pull it out and see if it is what you think it is.
It is...
I tried to even leave like the end of the tissue paper longer so it would be harder to guess, but...
It is a book.
It's a book! Good job! Way to go. Okay, how about reach in and see if you can find something else that you think is in there. Try and guess. And so you can, as you play this, have each child take a different turn. It's not a shirt. Keep feeling around. Don't look at it. You just have to try and guess what it is by feeling it. You could also do a fun variation where you put different candies in there, and then the kids could eat the candy when they guess what it is. Or have this be like the prize bag at the end of the party where they can pull out a fun prize if they guess what it is. Keep feeling around. Do you feel anything that you think that you know what it is? I wrapped him kind of hard.
I think this is a shirt.
It's not a shirt. Keep feeling around.
A jacket?
Nope, keep feeling around. You can put both hands in and see what it feels like. What else could it be? Maybe try a different object, see if you can guess what's something else inside.
It's like this big.
Yep. What does it feel like? Are both ends the same length, or is one wider than another one?
I know
What is it?
I think it's a brush.
Oh, check it out and see if you're right. So we will keep playing and seeing if he can guess what else is inside Mary Poppins' magic bag. But until then, we hope that you enjoyed these 3 Mary Poppins centered games. If you enjoyed them, I think you may know what it is, but what should they do first? If they enjoyed it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.